This is a fit for a 2019 and beyond Subaru Forester with a factory installed raised side rails. We have installed the Yakima TimberLine JetStream base roof rack. This roof rack consists of the aluminum JetStream aero bar in black that is connected to the Yakima TimberLine tower that is connected to the factory raised rail with a stainless steel rubberized band. The crossbar length for this vehicle is 50 inches in length. Current crossbar spread is 34 inches from center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity for this setup is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product, along with a full line of Yakima products, are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please click the link in the description below for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.